How to install ZEETOK app on iPhone. So here is the app ZEETOK Meet and Chat. So let's just tap to install it. And then it keeps installing. And then this is the app that helps you to meet new friends from all the world. You can meet new friends who share the same interests with you and want to chat now. It's fun, friendly, and free. 10 million users worldwide. And so let's just try to install it. And then you can just easily sign in with Apple, Google, or some other ways, Facebook or Snapchat. And then you can allow or not allow notifications. And then you can just see how this app looks like. And then you can instantly go to your chats and see your chats available. And that's basically the idea. There are a bunch of apps in this category, like ZEETOK Meet and Chat, and there are like every new app in this category to random video chats. Like every week there is a new app in this category. And to be honest, a lot of these apps are quite scammy. They're very low quality. And you should be aware, just be careful when you really try to upgrade in this app and do things like that. Be careful with that. And especially if you want to upgrade, also you should know that a lot of these apps, they just utilize AI bots, and then you can receive a lot of like matches and a lot of matches, and sometimes even calls. But in fact, this can be just some kind of AI bot. It's super easy to do nowadays with all these technologies. And then you can just be like, wow, and then you can just try to upgrade, but this is just like some AI bot. So just be very careful with these apps. And in the next 3 weeks, this app will just disappear from the App Store, and that's what happens. But hopefully ZEETOK is a bit on the better side. So here you just see the people you can discover. You can filter people by new, verified, and nearby. Then there is an option just to swipe, as similar as you have on Tinder. So you can just swipe through the new profile, and then you can just and then you can send. You can also send super like. So then that's you can also so you see the instructions: swipe left or right. And then you can just see just basically like Tinder. If you think that Tinder for you is not good, then you can just see all of these photos. And then also you can just go to this app, and then you can just discover, go to discover feed. This is kind of like a timeline where you can see all the posts. Like some of these apps are popular in some part of the world. Maybe this app is just popular in Philippines or something like that. Other apps are popular in US. Other apps are popular in Europe. So all of these like random video chat apps, you need to know where to use them, where you are located yourself or something like that. Because if you are not in the location where this app is, then it will just be complicated for you to use ZEETOK at full capacity, because all the people are like thousands of kilometers away. So then you have your messages, visitors, then I don't know what, task center. So probably here, if you do some tasks, you can also earn some coins in ZEETOK. And then if you get more coins, you can do more matches and stuff like that. Otherwise, you can always just to top up with coins. You can see right now the coin balance is like 50 coins, or you can just instantly just buy coins with 5,000 coins, $35, something like that. Otherwise, you can just do like this task center and get some free coins. Usually you will just need to watch some ads, or log into the app every day or something like that. But for some reason, it's just empty for me right now. So I don't know why. And then you just also have real-time verification, where you can actually try to verify yourself if you wanna. Take the photo and then you just follow this guide. And then yeah, just follow the instructions what you can do here. Then you have your settings, chat settings. You can enable voice call or disable voice call, notification, block list, about us, some feedback, how to delete an account. Here you can delete your account from here. It's a bit hidden, if you can see. So if you just go to FAQ section, then you can just delete your account. Mostly in this kind of apps, it can be a good idea to do it, because then yeah, you can just delete your account and your personal data. You will no longer be able. So yeah, if you want to delete your ZEETOK account, just go from here. Then you can also go through all types of FAQs from here, how to change, how to report a user, how to get verify, how to delete your post. Yeah, how do you recharge? You can just, of course, buy coins, or you can, just do these task-centered tasks. So yeah, also you can just then invite friends. I guess maybe. So you can use this invitation code to so feel free to use it, and then you can get some income in coins as well for these tasks. So yeah, this is basically the app. That's the idea how you can use it. And then here, if you just go to your personal account, you can edit your profile. You can add your profile picture. You can, let's see, you can change your profile name, and then you can just change your gender, birth date, your country. You can add your voice signature if you wanna, and do all of these things. So yeah, that's basically the idea here. So try out this app and tell what you think. Is it worth your time or not? Just to get your idea of it, and then yeah. So something around that. Is this app available on Android? So if you just go to and search for, yeah, so it's also available on Google Play Store and Android, so you can get it there as well. It's getting more and more reviews, and maybe it will be the new Meet and Chat app, which is like going through the top of the charts. Maybe that's the one. However, yeah, just try it out, see how it goes, and leave some of your comments.